Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic.
Oxford scientist warns of future animal to human diseases outbreak. A professor who is heading the Oxford University's coronavirus vaccine project said that human activity is causing a rising threat of viruses. This risk is unlikely to decrease as globalization continues. The professor said it's more likely that we will have zoonotic infections causing outbreaks because of the way our world is moving forward. It's alarming. Animals can sometimes carry harmful germs that can spread to people and cause illnesses. These are known as zoonotic diseases or zoonoses. From greater population density and greater travel to deforestations, these changes increase the risks of outbreaks and spread of pathogens. Most factors contributing to zoonotic outbreaks are related to environmental imbalances. The increasing occurrence of fires pushes wildlife to edge of rural to urban. Deforestation and degradation of forests increases exposure to animal pathogens as well. Therefore, the relationship between humans and nature needs to fundamentally change to prevent the emergence of zoonotic diseases. The World Health Organization estimates 75% of all new and emerging infections of disease are zoonotic. In total, 60% of all infection diseases in humans are zoonotic. Zoonotic diseases are caused by harmful germs like viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungi. These germs can cause many different types of illnesses in animals and plants as well, ranging from mild to serious illnesses and even death. Animals can sometimes appear healthy, even when they are carrying germs that can make them human sick. People can get infected with germs that can cause zoonotic diseases by coming into contact with the saliva, blood, urine, mucus of the animals or other body fluids of an infected animal. They can also get infected by coming into contact with areas where animals live and roam, or by touching objects or surfaces that have been contaminated with germs. Most researchers believe COVID-19 emerged in bats and infected humans via other animals. Other deadly diseases have also originated in animals and transferred to humans. These include Ebola, SARS, and the West Nile virus, which are all lethal. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Kindly share with your loved ones for their knowledge and health as well. Thank you.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.